The 9 elements of digital citizenship. Digital access. Technology users need to be aware that not everyone has the same opportunities when it comes to technology. Digital commons. Technology users to understand that a large share of market economy is being done electronically. Digital communication. One of the significant changes within the digital evolution is a person's ability to communicate with other people. Digital literacy. While schools have made greater progress in the area of technology inclusion, much remains to be done. Digital etiquette. Technology users often see this area as the most pressing problem when dealing with digital citizenship. Digital law. Digital law deals with the ethics and technology within society. An ethical use manifests itself in form of theft and crime. Digital rights and responsibilities. In the world of Spider-Man's uncle, with greater power comes greater responsibilities. Digital health and wellness. The physical and psychological well-being of children in the digital world is a critical issue that keeps many parents awake at night. Digital security. Digital security is basically protecting yourself in the digital world, protecting your self-identity.